Hey guys, what I'm doing today is I'm going to replace the battery on my, open up my Plantronics ML20 headset. I looked high and low on YouTube, and it doesn't look as if anybody's done it yet. So I just want to give someone a little bit of a clue as to what they should do if they find that after the years their battery is not lasting any length of time. Here's the headset. Let's just get the camera sorted out. Okay, I've already opened it up, and as you can see, the battery is replaceable. Now to open it up is, as you'd expect, it's got a seam, and you just start off with a knife edge, and just until it starts to split open, and then if you've got reasonably good nails, you'll be able to carry on around. And just on the front next to the micro USB connector, it's a little bit sort of reluctant to open up, but nevertheless, with a little bit of jiggery pokery, you can get it open, and then you can lift off the board, and no screws, no nothing. You might think that there's a little screw down there, but it's actually the microphone. So I thought it was a little screw, but it's actually the microphone. And then you'll get to see the battery. Now I see there is a replacement battery on AliExpress. I think it costs about $7 or $8. Now I'm not gonna go and buy one from AliExpress. It just so happens that I've bought a couple of little Bluetooth devices some time ago from AliExpress. I've got about 3 of these little gadgets. You'll recognize them. It's a Bluetooth mic and earphone, and I thought, well, what about there? There's a battery inside there. Yes, there is. These are about $2 each or something, and so they're very cheap, but the battery is somewhat smaller than what you get in the Plantronics headset. However, it doesn't matter. I'm not looking for 7 hours use. I just want it to last about 2 hours or something like that. So I'll be quite happy if it can last 2 hours, and it cost virtually nothing. So I'm happy to sacrifice one of these devices, which in fact I may use somewhere else, just on a 5-volt supply. So I'm going to go and replace this battery. So I'll come back and tell you how it works, or not. I think this is all you need to know, that you can open it, and the battery is replaceable. So I hope this is useful for you. Somebody that's got this in mind would probably know how to take it further. So yeah, enjoy. Thanks. Bye.